So what's bias? Bias is the difference between the observed average of measurements and the reference value. So whatever is the difference in the measurements which we have taken, if we take the average of that and we find out the difference from that average and the reference value, that will be the bias. For example, in that case of 52.00 millimeter bearing, if we take 10 readings, the actual size of that bearing is, let's say, 52.00, and if we take 10 measurement and we find out that the average of those 10 measurements is 52.02, let's say, then we can say that 52.02 minus 52 millimeters, which is 0.02 millimeters, is the bias. Let's look at an example of bias on the next slide. So here I have taken 6 measurements. My reference value was 100 psi, pounds per square inch, which is the measurement of pressure, and I have taken 10 readings, and those 10 readings are 100, 101, 102, 102, 101 and 100. So these are 6 readings which I have taken. The actual value or the reference value was 100. So when I take the average of all my measurements, which comes out to be 101 millimeter, so the difference between these two, the measured average and the reference value, that's the bias. So 101 minus 100 is equal to 1 psi. So that's the bias of my measurement system.